In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Mural to Miro, making collaboration between these platforms a breeze. Let's get started by heading over to Zapier, a tool that helps automate workflows by connecting your favorite apps. Once you're logged in, look for the Zaps option and click on it. It's here that you'll be able to set up a new workflow, or as Zapier calls it, a Zap, to connect Mural and Miro. Next, you'll want to create a new Zap. It's as simple as clicking on the Create button. This action sets the stage for our task. Once you've clicked on Create, you'll then see the option for New Zap. Go ahead and click on this to proceed. Now we're into the phase where we define the trigger for our Zap. The trigger is essentially the event that starts the automated workflow. In this case, click on Trigger and then select Mural from the list of apps. If you're unfamiliar with Mural, it's a digital workspace for visual collaboration, perfect for brainstorming with team members remotely. Once Mural is selected, choose the specific event you want to trigger the Zap. For this tutorial, we'll opt for New Area. This means each time a new area is created in Mural, the Zap will be triggered. With your trigger set, the next step is to connect Mural to Zapier by clicking on Connect Mural. You'll be prompted to allow Zapier access, so be sure to click on Allow to give the necessary permissions. Following this, you will need to specify where this trigger applies by clicking on the Workspace drop-down. From there, select your particular workspace and continuing by clicking on the Room drop-down to select the desired room. As you can see, selecting a room means you're specifying exactly where to monitor new areas in Mural. When these selections are made, find the Mural drop-down and choose the particular Mural for your task. Now, to ensure everything is set up correctly, click on Test Trigger. This step helps verify if the connection is working. Don't worry if the test fails, you can always click Skip Test and move forward. Now that you have the trigger sorted, let's move towards the action part of the Zap. Start by selecting Miro. Miro is another great tool for team collaboration, and by integrating it with Mural, you're opening a new realm of possibilities for your workflow. After clicking on Miro, define the action event as Create Card. Then connect your Miro account to allow Zapier to post new items in the Miro board. Continue by selecting the board you want the card to appear on. This is where your team will see the new items created from Mural inputs. Hit continue to proceed with setting it up. Just like with the trigger, test the step to make sure everything's functioning as intended. If all is, finalize your setup by publishing the Zap. Simply click Publish and your automated workflow will be live. And there you have it, you've successfully integrated Mural with Miro using Zapier, simplifying your team collaboration process. Congratulations on completing this tutorial.